In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Shopify Shop. If you've been building your store behind the scenes and you're ready for customers to see it, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to take it live by disabling the storefront password. I'll also share a few quick tips so you feel confident before you flip the switch. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Head to the Shopify website, log in, and you'll land on your dashboard. This is your control center, the place where you manage products, orders, settings, and your storefront. If you run multiple stores, double check that you're in the correct one before moving on, so you don't make changes in the wrong account. From the left-hand menu, look for Online Store. This section controls your theme, navigation, and how your storefront appears to the public. Click Online Store and then choose Preferences. Preferences is where Shopify keeps important visibility and SEO settings for your storefront, including the password protection that hides your store while you're building. Inside Preferences, find the password protection option. By default, stores are often password protected during setup, so only you or invited testers can access the site. To open your shop to the world, toggle off password protection. Turning this off removes the gate so visitors can browse your storefront without a password. Before you do, take a moment to consider timing. Going live means anyone can view your pages, so it's wise to have your core content, at least a few products, and your policies in a decent place. You can still refine everything after launch, but having the essentials ready helps create a good first impression. Once the toggle is off, click Save. This is important, changes won't apply until you save. After saving, give it a moment, then test your store the way a visitor would. Open a private or incognito window and type in your store's URL. If the password screen no longer appears and your homepage loads, you're officially live. If you still see the password screen, refresh, clear your browser cache, or wait a minute and try again. At this point, your Shopify store is active and publicly accessible. Congratulations! As a final tip, review your storefront on both desktop and mobile to make sure images, buttons, and checkout flow look clean. If you ever need to pause public access for a quick update, you can return to Preferences and re-enable password protection temporarily. That's it, you've opened your Shopify shop and made it visible to customers. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.